How to factory reset iPhone without password. If you've forgotten your iPhone password, you need to reset it to factory settings to regain access. However, this will erase all data on the iPhone. If you've backed up your data using iCloud, you can restore it after the reset. Typically, using iTunes is the simplest method for resetting an iPhone. But without a computer, this method isn't possible. So let's try to reset the iPhone to factory settings without a computer. If these methods don't solve your problem, we'll also try an iPhone unlocker that works for all iPhone models. Let's get started. Method 1. Reset iPhone using Apple ID. This method requires your device to meet 3 conditions. The iPhone is updated to iOS 15.2 or later. The iPhone is signed in with your Apple ID. The iPhone is connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular network. If your iPhone meets these conditions, you can try entering the wrong password multiple times. Then your iPhone will show unavailable. For iPhones with iOS 17 or newer, the Forgot Passcode option appears below. For iPhones with iOS 15 or 16, you'll also need to enter the wrong passcode 3 times. Use this option to reset your iPhone, which will erase all data. Enter your Apple ID password to sign out of Apple ID, and your iPhone will start the factory reset process. This takes about 5 minutes. Once the reset is complete, your iPhone will be like new. You can set it up as a new device or restore data from a backup. After setup, your iPhone will be ready to use. Method 2. Reset iPhone using iCloud. This method requires that your iPhone has Find My iPhone enabled and is connected to the internet. Use another phone to access iCloud or open the Find My app using another iPhone or iPad signed into the same Apple ID. Open a browser on your phone and go to iCloud.com/find. Sign in with your Apple ID and complete 2-factor authentication. You'll access the Find My device list. Find the iPhone you want to reset and select Erase this device. Follow the instructions to complete the reset process. Your iPhone will start the reset, erasing all content and settings. Once done, you can set it up as a new device or restore data from a backup. If neither of these methods works, you can try using an iPhone unlocker. Method 3. Unlock your iPhone with Tenorshare for UK. Tenorshare for UK helps you easily unlock an iPhone, iPad, or iPod without passcode, Touch ID, or Face ID. Download it from the link provided in the video description. Connect your iPhone to your computer and launch For UK. Select Unlock iOS screen and follow the instructions to put your iPhone into recovery mode. If your device is an iPhone 8 or newer, you'll need to press the volume up and volume down buttons, then press and hold the side power button until the screen goes black and the recovery mode screen appears. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus devices, you need to press and hold the volume down button and the side power button at the same time until the iPhone shows the recovery mode screen. For iPhone 6s or older devices, you need to press and hold the home button and power button at the same time and wait for the device to reboot and enter recovery mode. After the iPhone is put into recovery mode, you can download the latest iOS firmware for iPhone Restore via For UK. After the firmware download is complete, click Start to remove. Now your iPhone will start restoring factory settings. The process will last about 10 minutes. You need to wait patiently for a while. Okay, now the iPhone is done resetting. You need to set up your iPhone and then just activate it using your Apple ID when you come across the activation lock page. This way, your iPhone is done with factory settings reset. There are 2 caveats. Recovery mode will erase all data on the iPhone. If Find My iPhone is enabled, you'll need your Apple ID and password to reactivate the device after the reset. Well, that's how to factory reset an iPhone without password. I hope these solutions help you solve the problem. Please like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any other questions about iPhone or iPad passwords, write in the comments. We'll actively help you solve the problem. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.